Hi friends, it's me, Teacher Young from Yay Children. Welcome to my very first YouTube video. I'm just going to jump into this so that you know when you click on one of my videos what to expect. I'm going to read a storybook with you, and my first one is dedicated to one of my students, so I have a little shout out to you, Carter. I miss you, I love you. We're going to read a book about one of your favorite subjects, ice cream. I'm going to try to read it just like we did before nap time. So here we go. Our first storybook is called Should I Share My Ice Cream by Willems. Ice cream! Get your cold ice cream for a hot day. Oh boy, ice cream! One ice cream, please. Here you go. Oh boy, I love ice cream. Wait, Piggy loves ice cream too. Piggy is my best friend. Should I share my ice cream with her? Should I share my awesome, yummy, sweet, super great, tasty, nice, cool ice cream? Maybe Piggy does not like this flavor. Sharing a flavor Piggy does not like would be wrong. I will eat the ice cream. Wait. Piggy will like this flavor. It is very yummy. I will share my ice cream. It will not be easy. Hey, Piggy is not here. She does not know I have ice cream. I will eat the ice cream. Where is Piggy? What if she's sad somewhere? I must find her. When I do, I will say, would you like some of my ice cream? Then she will say, thank you, that would cheer me up. Then I will give her my ice cream to share. Yum. Then my best friend will be happy. Oh. I will do it. I will share my ice cream. You look sad. Would you like some of my ice cream? Thank you. That would cheer me up. Yum. That was not my plan. Oh, well, this works too. The end. And I know you all like to see the different types of cones and how they are melting, and a little drawing bomb by Pigeon. Hey friends, I just want to spend more time with you, so this is the way I figured out how. I heard a couple of you miss me, and I definitely miss you too. So when mommy and daddy say you can have a little screen time, you can watch a show, you can click on one of my videos and we can have a little story time together. And that way we can spend time together because we can't come into the classroom together anymore. Not for now, at least. Parents and caregivers, I know these are very, very unprecedented times. It's very overwhelming. I know we can make it through though. When I first opened my in-home preschool, I had a little bit of guilt and this little tugging conscience that said, you know, you're not helping enough people, and when can I do that? When I opened, I wished I could be in Seattle and Bellevue. I wished I could be in Tacoma and Everett. I wish I could be in Auburn and Federal Way and Olympia. I wished I could be in Portland and San Francisco, but I could only start in one place at one time, and I knew I could only help a few families and then eventually a handful of families. But now, a few years later, we're in a totally different situation. We're under these really peculiar circumstances where we don't even know what back to school means. So in the meantime, trying to adapt, trying to switch it up and collaborate and brainstorm and figure out a way that I can still spend time with your children while they are in your home, and we can still reconnect and have a good time, and hopefully I will be useful in a way where you can have your child sit down with me while you take that important phone call, or you sit in on that meeting uninterrupted, or you just take a break and then I hang out with your child. Yes, it's on a device, it's through a screen, but those are the times we're in right now. So I think we should accept technology, make some improvements, and figure out a way to adapt. Again, I know we can make it through this, and I know that schools are doing their best. Teachers and administrators are doing their best to figure out a way to come back to school safely. And until then, this is what we can do. I am by no means somebody who belongs in front of a camera. I'm more of a behind the scenes kind of person, but I'm going to do this for the preschoolers and the graduates. If we find some new friends along the way, that would be wonderful and fantastic. Along those lines, like, to keep this going and to build some momentum, I ask you, would you please invite your friends to this station, this YouTube channel. If you search Yay Children or Teacher Young, I should pop up, and I'm going to try to create more content. So if you wouldn't mind sharing this with your friends and neighbors, your relatives, your colleagues and coworkers, your classmate moms and dads, and your team dads and moms, and the coaches' kids, and we would love to grow and have a bigger audience and help more families that way. My initial big goal is to have a viewer in every state and maybe even abroad. I think we can do it. Why not? I thank you so much for watching this video. I'm humbled, I'm a little bit nervous, I'm very thrilled, but I'm inspired, and I want to give this a try. So let's do this. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you again soon.